friends, welcome to my channel Grateful Soul. Before we could go to today's video, just remember there is no greater wealth in this world than your peace of mind. So try attending peace of mind, which should solve most of your life's problem. Being said, today's video is about having a peaceful sleep. Alright, and mattresses play a very vital role in it. So let's go to the video now. Okay, I was having this Choir mattress for some time now, and after using it for more than 1 year, this mattress got compressed itself, and guess what? I started having lower back pain and sometimes strain too. So I was searching online like what could solve my problem, and finally I purchased the Sleepy Edge Sense orthopedic mattress. Alright, the reason why I choose this mattress is for these reasons. 1. It's orthopedic, relieves back pain. 2. It regulates body temperature. 3. We get a 100-day trial period. And 4. It's a budget mattress. I bought this mattress for rupees 13,000, and top of that I got a 12% discount as I have ordered directly from the Sleepy Edge website. I've mentioned the link below in case if you are interested. So let's unbox and see how it works. Okay, so this mattress is compressed and nicely packed in this magical box. So once we open it, it's going to inflate itself and we could see the mattress. Along with this mattress, we got this safety blade which I used to open the mattress now, and we also got this manual which has all the information about the mattress. It even says 100 nights trial period policy, so it is really a cool factor. Alright, so this mattress looks really cool and gives a very expensive look. It is not very soft, neither it is not very firm. It feels just right, and the top layer of this mattress has a very interesting technology which is used by NASA, which is the one which gives that cooling effect, and it regulates our body temperature. And the bottom of the mattress is made of memory foam, which will give you a very comfortable sleep. And this mattress also has a very interesting feature, which is zero partner disturbance. In case if your partner sleeps there and if they are changing the position, you will not get disturbed here. So we will do an experiment and see how it works. Okay, so I've kept a glass of water here, so I'm just going to walk around it. Let's see whether it gets disturbed. So far it's good. I think the zero partner disturbance feature which Sleepy Edge claims seems to be working good. So this mattress is actually nicely covered in this cover, and there is a zip in it. So in case if the mattress gets dirty, you can just open the zip, remove the cover, and you can wash it as you wash the other clothes. So I think it's again a very good feature. And as I already told you, this mattress comes with a 100-day trial period. So in case if you are not satisfied in the first 100 days, you can return the product, and Sleepy Edge team is going to refund all 100% of your money. So I think it's a very good deal which the team offers. It shows how confident the team is about their product. So along with the mattress, I also purchased this mattress protector. This is rupees 1500, and top of that I got a 12% discount as I ordered directly from the Sleepyhead website. I mentioned the link below in case if you are interested. You can purchase both the mattress as well as the mattress protector from their website directly, and they will get you delivered within 3 to 5 business days. I got it within 3 days. Alright, so at times, we might tend to pour any liquid, and in case if we have kids, they might urinate during the sleep, and if it happens, so it is going to make the mattress dirty, and in the long term the mattress might give you a foul smell. So just to avoid this, I bought this protector. So let's open this one. So it comes in this cute little bag, and it is covered, so it looks good. So let me open it, let me see how it feels. Wow, this mattress protector really looks cool. It feels soft, and this is actually made of bamboo, which is cooler than the actual cotton, so it will also help you in regulating your body temperature. Overall, I would say it's a good purchase. This mattress is also available from Amazon and other online portals. In case if you want to order online, just compare the prices from the Sleepyhead website, because they are giving you additional 12% of discount, and they are going to deliver the product within 3 to 5 business days if you are in metropolitan cities. If you are in other cities, it might take a bit longer. So hope this information helped you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel below and hit the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Until then, goodbye.